Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to fix drop frames in Streamlabs OBS. So first you have to check your internet speed and compare your bitrate. Your internet speed directly affects your stream quality. So you have to check out the bitrate for your stream. Here, if you are going to stream 720p with 30 fps, your bitrate must be 1500 to 2500 if your internet upload speed is 2 to 3 mbps. Okay, so if you are going to stream with 60 fps and 720p resolution, your bitrate is between 4000 to 6000 if your internet upload speed is 6 to 8 mbps. Okay, so you can take the screenshot of this, and you can check your internet upload speed, and after that you can set your bitrate. If you don't know how to check bitrate of Streamlabs OBS, I will show you after this video, in the new video. So if you are going to stream with 1080p and 30 fps, your bitrate will be this 5000 to 6500 bitrate, and this is the internet upload speed. So you can adjust your bitrate on the base of your internet upload speed. For 60 fps, your bitrate will be this. Okay, so the second step is you can stream at a lower resolution. So if you still see a fixed drop frames in Streamlabs OBS, you can adjust your lower resolution. You have to go to your settings and then click on video, and here you will see the option output scale resolution, and here you can lower your resolution. The third step is you can change your downscale filter. Downscale filter is basically, in most cases, your canvas resolution should be identical to your base resolution. So you can also try this option as well. You can go with bicubic 16 samples. Okay, you can adjust this to by this one. The third one is you can decrease your fps value. If you want to stream with 60 fps, so you can just lower your fps value to 59.94, and if you are going to go with the 30 fps, you can decrease your fps value to 29.97. So it will be helpful for you guys. The five and the last step is upgrade your PC space. So this is the last option. If you try all the four options and it's still not working, you have to upgrade your PC. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you have any question related to Streamlabs OBS, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye bye.